All right, think of a white wine grape. It's okay, I'll wait. Wait, you already have one? If I had to guess, based off of probability, I would think that the majority of you have thought of Chardonnay, one of the most popular grapes that is found in pretty much every major wine-growing country of the world. Welcome back to Hourglass of Wine series, Grapes You Need to Know. And we are starting off with a bang, Chardonnay, an interestingly divisive grape. Some love it and some hate it. So today, let's find out why. One of the big reasons for why Chardonnay is so popular is its versatility, both in the vineyard and the cellar. This was a point that we touched on in our top white wine grapes video that I'll have linked below for you to check out after this video. So if you look at Chardonnay on the vine, it's a very hardy vine. It grows in nearly any type of soil and it will thrive in any type of climate, which is why we can see it in nearly every winemaking country of the world in some capacity or another. As well, it's a very productive vine and it puts out lots of clusters and lots of quantity even in various conditions. This versatility also extends into the cellar, where Chardonnay can be molded, crafted, and shaped into a variety of different styles, all based upon the winemaker's preference. It's a fairly neutral grape with not a lot of aromatic complexity on its own, which makes it perfect for stylistic tweaking in the cellar and the vineyard that can make anything of a Chardonnay, from a light-bodied wine to a full-bodied wine. Lemon-lime flavors to rich, buttery tropical fruits can come out too. So I said that Chardonnay is both beloved and unloved. This is because there's a famous wine movement started by Chardonnay haters called ABC, or anything but Chardonnay. Now, part of that is because it's such a popular grape. You see Chardonnay everywhere and you can get tired of looking at it, but also because there's a very particular style of Chardonnay that tends to come out of California where they just oak the heck out of it and it comes out super buttery, rich, full-bodied, and after you've drank it once, twice, 10, 12 times, people got tired of it and just wanted something different. But that is why we are not part of the ABC camp, because we know the grape has more to offer than just that California oaked Chardonnay style. And we want to make a case for the grape. So the key is, because of its versatility, there's a wide range of Chardonnays and styles for you to pick from. You need to find out what you like and know where to look for a Chardonnay to match that style. It grows in all sorts of different climates. These climates have a huge effect on the outcome of the grapes and the body and the flavors of the wines. Warmer climates will equal a fuller body, a higher alcohol, and ripe tropical fruits. Colder climates will give us just the opposite. Lighter body, lower alcohol, fresh flavors of lemon, limes, and yellow apples. There are keys to look for on how it is made, too. Thanks to the way that it can really be molded and modified by a winemaker, the styles can range from fresh, light, and unoaked, where we're going to have a more fruit-forward, fresher, younger wine, all the way to those complex, rich, buttery, and full of a creamy vanilla aroma. That's thanks to the oak aging, like the California style we mentioned earlier. As well, for Chardonnay, be sure to keep an eye out for amazing sparkling wines. In fact, Chardonnay is one of the 3 varieties that can be used to make champagne. So what are some regions to look out for famous and high quality Chardonnay? Well, first off, Blanc de Blanc from Champagne is always a great option. But if you stay in France, we want you to look for Chardonnay from Burgundy and from the nearby Chablis. In the New World, you can look for those rich, oaked California Chardonnays, but as well, there's some great examples coming out of Australia and Chile that are of very good quality. So thank you for joining me today on this quick exploration of Chardonnay, one of the arguably most grown white wine grapes in the world. If you liked this video, please leave a like below and subscribe for more wine education content from Hourglass of Wines. In the meantime, I will see you with the next video, which might be this one here. I'll see you over there. Bye-bye.